Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and today I am sharing the Spellbinders December 2023 club kits that I received to craft with this month. And I don't get everything, but I will share with you the items that I did get. So let's start off with the 3D embossing folder, because this one's actually kind of different this month. I've never seen Spellbinders do this, so kind of excited. Look, so you've got two designs. As you know, if you've seen any of my haul videos or you've purchased any of these clubs, the 3D embossing folder and the embossing folders of the month, and the embossing folders in general that Spellbinders releases now, they are in this larger format that is essentially half a US letter sheet of the size of half a letter sheet of paper. So that's 5.5 by 8.5. What that means is if you are a USA 2 size card maker like I am, often what you can get out of these folders is 2 panels for the time and effort of running this through your die cutting machine the one time to emboss. And in this case, you do truly get 2 panels that are distinctly different from one another. So you can kind of see, you know, the design ends right in the middle there, and you get 2 very distinct designs, which are fabulous. And you can see kind of the heart theme, so perfect for Valentine's Day coming up in a couple months, and really any time of year. I feel like these are, because they have such lovely florals with them, you could really use them for any occasion: anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, just anything really. So that's pretty cool. That's something a little bit different. So I'm gonna really enjoy crafting with that one. Then, new, you might have seen this because it was at the top of my stack, but we have a new club kit, and this is the stencil of the month. So I had noticed that this year there have been quite a few different stencils that have released, and so it's really wonderful now to see that we have a new club. This is a fabulous layered stencil set, and so we have in the bottom corner here, you can see the number. So there's 1, mine are a little out of order. Here's 2, 3, and 4. So you can kind of see they stencil different areas of the design. So let's say if I line these 2 up, you can kind of see that these actually don't overlap at all. So these open areas of this one kind of fill in the gaps here. So what that kind of means is that you can sort of, I think, use these separately. So for example, these 2 overlap a little bit, where this has all of the veins to these leaves, so you can add that extra bit of detailing with these 2 stencils. This is number 2 and number 4, and I think maybe that's why these were in the order that they were in, because these 2 go together, 2 and 4, and then 1 and 3 match with each other, because if you can see here, 3 gives you the stems and the bottoms of the flowers, and 1 gives you the petals of the flowers. So these are pretty cool. You can use them separately as a pairing. You know, each individual pairs, you can use these separately, but you can put them all together, because these flowers, it looks like they fill in the gaps between these leaves. So really lovely. You can create different backgrounds with these. So here's how they look on against black, just so that you can kind of see the design a little bit. And here are these 2 for the flowers. So pretty cool. I really like stenciling. There's a lot that you can do with with stencils, so it's always really fun to play with these, and how fun that we're going to be getting monthly stencils as an option for a new club now. So I think that's pretty cool. Then I do also get the small die of the month, and this is really fabulous. So check this out. You've got your dancing mechanism, and these can be really fun dancing because anytime you see that sort of ring, or the donut as I like to call it, you know that you can put a little foam dot in there and make that element dance. So we've got the skirts, we have pants here, and we have this large kind of oversized umbrella, which is really fun. So I think that's kind of cute. These little dies here are the little feet, and look at these. These I think are really cool. I'm excited to craft with these. Look at this. It's like, it's the word love, and then this one has you. And what's great is it's all connected as one line going all the way across. So I think that's really cool. And then this is another pair where oh, actually there's 3 on this die. So you have this that does the heart all connected, and this one, these 2 as well. So how cool is that? That's really, I think, really fun. So I think that's going to be a pretty neat one to craft with. That's the small die of the month. Then I also do get the large die of the month, and check this out. Look how big this is. You get this big, it could be a wine bottle, a champagne bottle, and then 2 different types of wine glasses, and you have all of the details for this wine bottle because you've got the cork and an additional layer on top of that. It's a little bit reminiscent of the kit that had the big bottle that was ocean themed. That was a really fun one to craft with as well, and I recognize sort of that cork, that layered cork design. Then you've got the labeling, so you've got that that's sort of the foil at the top of your champagne bottle, and then you've got the label of your champagne, and then there are some sentiments too. So here we have love you and cheers. There are some additional accents to layer some liquid, whatever your drink of choice is. There are some dyes here, so you can have a very full or a very empty cup, so that's up to you. And then some of these additional dyes and shapes and things, I think they're meant for sort of that specular highlight, and you can add that little bit of detailing there. Really, really lovely. This bit here I think matches that shape, so that you can layer more on top of this label for your champagne bottle. So that's really fun. Really lovely. Great size on that one too. Then I also get the glimmer of the month, and this one has a really nice corner design, which is kind of cool. And you can always rotate this so that you get the full frame if you wanted. And as well, there's different sentiments, which is kind of cool. So there's 2 plates that are more kind of scripty, and so you have that as an option. And this reads, you make my heart smile, and this one reads, thanks for just being you. That's a really, really lovely sentiment. Then you have another glimmer plate with a coordinating die to cut them out. Oh, this is so cool. I'm just seeing this now. Look, one of them says Happy Valentine's Day, and the other one says Happy Galentine's Day. How awesome. That's really fun, because sometimes, we like to just celebrate Valentine's with our gal pals. That's so cool. Glad they've thought of that, and so how awesome is it to have that. And then the clear stamp of the month does also have the option to get the coordinating dies to go along with it. So you've got that really large die that will cut the word love out. And it's great. It's actually going to cut the inside of this out too. And then there's some coordinating dies for the additional little elements there. And then that looks like a banner die that will cut out these additional sentiments. So that's really lovely. And this one is very Valentine's themed. So you have Happy Valentine's Day, Be My Valentine, Sweetheart Always, My Heart Is Yours, and the word you by itself to go with love. So you can do love you. And then there are those accent graphics like the hearts. I like these hearts. They're really cute. And so you've got the dies to cut all of those out. So those are the club kits that I'll be crafting with this month, and club kits are open as of today, December 6th. So if you want to sign up for a new subscription, then you can do that and make changes to your monthly subscription. You can do that really anytime if you want to adjust what you get or cancel any of your subscriptions. There isn't a fixed contract or anything like that. So it's a very flexible subscription program. And as well, I would definitely, if more than one of these club kits appeals to you, check out the value packages, because there's different groupings, and so you want to check those out just in case there's a grouping that actually gives you better value for money, because in the bundles you get a bit of a discount. So check those out if you are interested in more than one of these, because there might be something that is a great value for you. I've already flipped this kit, or these kits, and so if you want to check out my flip video for some inspiration, in those videos I like to make at least one flat, one layered, one interactive, and one pop-up card, just to show diverse types of cards that you can make featuring some of these club kits. Thanks so much for joining me on this one. I'll leave a link to my flip video and to my Spellbinders playlist at the end of this video if you're interested in checking either of those out. And of course, as always, links to everything will be in the description box below. And thank you in advance if you do shop any of my affiliate links. I appreciate you so much. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.